Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, eXp Realty in Naples, SW Florida, and I'm at another of our listings that we've just sold, and that's always the rider that we want to have. We've got a huge amount of demand at the moment for homes here in SW Florida, and this one obviously sold pretty quickly with all the marketing that we've done. It's in Golden Gate Estates, and this is a 4-bedroom home. We have a number of other listings under contract also, and you know, I'll put a little bit of information down here about the area and everything, but reach out to us if you need help in finding any type property here in SW Florida. We're here to help. Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team, and we serve all of SW Florida. This one is in Golden Gate Estates, as I mentioned, and it's a fabulous home. It's going to be a great it's going to be a great home for the new owners. Anyway, I just wanted to just do this, send this information, and I'll put some info down here as well. Reach out to us. As I say, we cover all of SW Florida. The market is very hot right now, but we're able to get deals for buyers as well. We help both buyers and sellers. Recently we saved a buyer roughly 100,000 on a property here in Naples actually. So reach out to us, Barry and Kim with the Hoey Team. Again, as I mentioned, we'll put some info down here and call anytime. Talk to you later. Bye for now.